The police department in Mount Juliet is like none other, and it really just makes this what I feel like the safest city in Tennessee to live and to raise a family.
The level of safety that we get from the police department is always very reassuring to me.
With the use of Flock Safety and our license plate readers and all the new systems that are coming on board, we're solving cases faster. We are apprehending criminals a lot quicker. We are preventing crime way more often, and we continue to see a reduction in crime numbers.
Just the other day, we had a stolen car. It actually hit on one of our cameras right up here.
Stolen vehicle out of Metro. It's going to be a black Toyota Camry. Alpha drone will be en route to the location.
We're able to track it kind of through the city safely without having to initiate contact with it until it pulled into a parking lot. Able to box it in, take everybody into custody safely.
Mount Juliet on the cutting edge is right where Mount Juliet should be. We're a community that's always supported our police department, and as an elected official, I'm going to back them with every tool that we can to position them so that they can do the best job that we can.
Where I'm located, so close to a main road, I see firsthand what happens on a daily basis because of those camera readers.
The cameras definitely take a lot of the guesswork out. Being able to follow up on leads more efficiently definitely gives us more time to be present with our community.
With the use of Flock Safety technology, it just allows us to be even more proactive and keep those call numbers down, keep that crime down, so we can make those stronger connections every day with our community members.
I want my kids to grow up and to experience the outside and not be afraid. And we aren't afraid here because we know that we're safe.